Hey guys, I'm Karina, and today I want to share some exciting news with you and something new that we're starting on the channel. So let's show ya. Hey guys, I'm Karina and welcome back to my channel Fit Me Plus 3. If you're new here, welcome. Happy to have you. If you're not, as always, I appreciate you and thanks for watching. So today I want to share some exciting news with you guys and something that we've been attempting to start and something that is very close to my heart that is going to be launching this week for the channel. So when we started our channel, it was here and there, it was really fun, but ultimately on my journey, there are a lot of things I'm trying to do. So on the channel, we've decided that we are going to launch Motivation Monday. So what Motivation Monday will be is our journey, mostly my journey to health, wellness, fitness, and a lifestyle. So in 2016, I look like this. After a year and a half of working at it extremely hard, I lost 72 pounds and then I look like this. But then I had my third child and now I look like this. I've gained the weight back. I don't know how I let it happen, but it happened. And to me, it's just a sign of the times. It is what it is. And I'm tired of being embarrassed about it. I'm tired of being mad about it and frustrated to the point where I'm not doing anything about it. So over the last couple of weeks, we have started to build a gym outside. We have the necessary equipment and things that I think and I know will help me in this journey. And I want you guys to be a part of that. When I did this the first time, I shared it with you all via Facebook and a little bit via Instagram, but I only showed you the happy parts. I only showed you the good parts and the easy parts. When I had lost a certain amount of weight and I hit a new milestone, or when I felt good in a new dress, or when I was eating something really healthy. But I didn't share with you the struggles of when I wanted to eat badly, or when I didn't lose weight that week, or when the size medium at one store didn't fit the size medium at the other store. So I want to be raw and I want to be transparent, and I'm hoping that that will help me help you and inspire you to share your journey. And if you're not comfortable sharing your journey, to start your journey. So if you want to start your journey with me, I would be happy to have you. I would love your comments. Please be kind. It is something that is very hard. Something that is very hard for me to recognize that I've gotten back to this place where I'm unhealthy and I don't want to be here anymore. So I hope that this inspires you. Every Monday at 8 a.m. we'll be posting a Motivation Monday video. That video will consist of health, wellness, as well as a lifestyle. It'll show healthy recipes, quick recipes, healthy eatings, and things that I eat throughout the day or that I prepare for my family. It'll also show some of the fitness that I'll be doing when it comes to cardio and weight training, and even some HIIT. It will also include just everyday things that you can do to keep yourself moving, to keep yourself motivated, hydrated, healthy, and just in a good place altogether. Whether it's mind, body, and spirit, at the end of the day, you'll be healthy. So I invite you to join this journey. I invite you to follow our journey. And I truly hope that this inspires you. It brings you joy. It brings you motivation, or whatever the case may be. But please don't forget to like and subscribe. So turn on your notifications so you're ready for that on Monday. If you have a hard time getting started on Monday, I'm hoping that seeing this at 8 o'clock every Monday will inspire you to make sure that you started your journey or that you continue your journey. So I'll be happy to share pictures. I'll be happy to share the good, the bad, and the indifferent along the way. But I love you guys, and I thank you as always for being here, and I can't wait to see you next Monday. So have a good one.